The GMC Sierra is renowned for looking like a tough, robust, and durable pickup truck. Based on the design of the GMC Sierra and the overall trend of truck-based campervan conversions, we can forecast the exterior's appearance. Big, visible front grille, often including a huge GMC emblem in the middle. Depending on the trim, the grille style may be black, chrome, or at 4// Denali-specific. LED headlights, often featuring LED daytime running lights, DRL. It has a unique and contemporary style. Robust bumpers, sometimes including visible tow hooks. They are designed to be both useful and long-lasting. Sharp lines on the body make a powerful, physical statement. Different rims accessible in a range of sizes and styles, from more opulent to more functional. The primary component of the modification is the rear camper unit, which fits into the truck's bed and has a boxy or aerodynamic design. Fiberglass, metal, or composite can be used. The camper unit has side and rear windows for ventilation and illumination. The camper unit's entrance door is often found on the side or back. Awning, to make an outside space shaded. Ladder of access in order to enter the camper unit. External storage, a camping equipment storage box. Solar panels installed for extra electricity on the camper's roof. Roof vents allow the camper's inside air to circulate. Adjustments to the suspension to make room for the camper's extra weight. If an adventure campervan is the idea, all-terrain tires could be included. A driver's cab and an additional living space will be the two primary sections of the campervan's interior because it is built on a pickup truck. The inside of the driver's cabin will be identical to the normal 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 in terms of both style and functionality. A contemporary design with a sizable, perhaps 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen serving as the control center is probably part of this. Depending on the trim, the materials might range from premium leather with metal or wood elements to cotton. The interior of higher trims, such as the Denali, will be more opulent. Cozy front chairs with several power settings and amenities like air conditioning and heating. Certain top trims could even include a massaging feature. Door pockets, a sizable central console, and additional personal storage space. Wireless charging, a quality audio system, like Bose. Smartphone compatibility, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A GMC infotainment system, and other safety and driver assistance systems. Driver information display that may be adjusted, perhaps 12.3 inches. Depending on the style of conversion, e.g., pop-up camper, slide-in camper, or permanent truck bed modification, the living area will be the changed component and can vary significantly. Among the possible interior components are area of sleeping, usually a double or twin bed that may be transformed into a lounge area or left in place. A small sink with a small water tank, a mini fridge or cooler box, and a small burner, either portable gas or electric, are examples of a compact kitchen. Front cabin folding table or small table with bench or swivel chairs. Keeping shelves, drawers, and cabinets for camping supplies, cooking, and clothes. A control panel, inverter, and extra deep cycle batteries are needed to power household appliances. There could possibly be solar panels accessible. LED lights for illumination indoors. More windows and vents on the roof. A portable toilet or cassette toilet and a basic shower may be included in some bigger adaptations. For the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500, the following engine options are available. The 2.7L Turbomax i4, 310 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. The 5.3L Ecotec 3V8, 355 horsepower and 383 lb-ft of torque. The 3.0L Duramax Turbo Diesel i6, 305 horsepower and 495 lb-ft of torque. And the 6.2L Ecotec 3V8, 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. The 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 HD, which comes with a 6.6L V8 gas engine option, might serve as the foundation for a bigger or more potent conversion. A 6.6L Duramax Turbo Diesel V8 produces 470 horsepower and 975 lb-ft of torque, while the engine produces 401 horsepower and 464 lb-ft of torque.